The Oxseryn 4000W Inverter Generator is equipped with a robust 208 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, making it ideal for recreational vehicle camping and as a reliable home backup during power outages. With a wide range of output options, this generator includes two 120-volt alternating current ports, one 12-volt direct current port, and an RV port to suit various power needs. Thanks to its eco mode, this generator can run for up to 14 hours at 25% load, ensuring long-lasting performance with its 2-gallon fuel tank. The generator operates at a noise level below 72 decibels from 23 feet away, providing a quiet yet efficient power solution. Weighing only 56 pounds, the Oxseryn generator is designed for easy portability, allowing users to conveniently move it as needed. Each unit undergoes functional testing at the factory, ensuring high quality and performance upon purchase.